See, so I normally lower the garage door because of this. Go away. I closed the garage door for the night and left the Hummingbird in here. And after searching all of that area over there, I think I kept hearing the fluttering in here. Now to carefully take everything out so as to not injure the delicate little bird. Oh, no, no! Hold on. Okay, buddy, okay. Please don't flutter. Okay. Okay. All right, now to rehabilitate it somehow. Oh, he's so tired. I'm gonna get some sugar water. Okay, the sugar water. Let's see if it'll. Come on, buddy. Come on. Drink up, bud. He's trying. He set into it. It's okay. It's okay. Don't. Oh! I swear to God, if he went back into the garage, I'm gonna be pissed. He didn't fly this direction.